how you can create presentation slides on Canva and use Microsoft PowerPoint to open the presentation slides. Follow me. So, as you can see on the screen right now, this is your Canva home page, and you want to create a presentation slide. You have two options. One, to create the presentation slide from the scratch, or to edit ready-made presentation slides from Canva. Now, let's say, to cut our time short, because what we actually want to achieve with this video is how we can make presentation slides on Canva and use Microsoft PowerPoint to open it. So to cut it short, let us use a ready-made template on Canva. Now, like you can see on the screen, we have the top section of the Canva homepage, the one I'm sliding at the top. This section that I'm about to mark is what I'm talking about, this particular section, right? So when you slide it, you can see presentation. So just click on presentation, because we want to use ready-made presentation templates or a preset presentation template. This is very important. You can't just start designing a presentation slide from the scratch and expect to find it, to be able to export it for Microsoft PowerPoint. It's not done that way. So make sure you come to this section on Canva, click on it, presentation. Then when you are done clicking on presentation, then a lot of pre-made preset or pre-designed templates would be presented to you. So just click on any one of them. Click on any one of them. Remember, what we want to achieve is we want to be able to create presentation slides on Canva and use Microsoft PowerPoint on our system to open it, or on our phone. Yes, you can open Microsoft Slides on your phone too. So let us click on one of the templates here. Let's click on one of the templates here. Let us click on this, the one I'm opening right now. So when we open it like that, we allow for it to load. Canva can be somehow slow at times, due to the fact that probably the network is not good, probably the phone, and a lot of other factors like that. But in this case, we have to wait for it to load. When it's done loading, like now, let's say, then probably we want to edit. This is a presentation slide, so we want to edit to fit into whatever purpose we want to use it for, right? So we can go ahead and edit. But remember that the aim of this tutorial is to learn how to use Microsoft PowerPoint to open a Canva slide file. Now, what is the next thing we are going to do? Let's assume this is a slide that we are able to make at the end of the day. So let's just go right ahead to download it for Microsoft PowerPoint. Now just go to this area, that download section, the usual download section on Canva. Click on it. Then when you come here, don't go ahead and download directly like that. Look at this section. This is where you come. Just slide that section, slide that section, slide that section, slide it. You can see there are a lot of options there. Slide it right. If you are able to slide it enough, you are going to see Microsoft PowerPoint. So just click on Microsoft PowerPoint. When you are done clicking on it, this design has 20 pages. It has 20 pages. The slides has 20 slides in it. So just download it like that. Download as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. So when you are done downloading and you are using your system or your phone to open the slide, you are going to see that it will open not as a Canva document again, but as a Microsoft PowerPoint document. So let's see. So let's say we've downloaded the presentation slide that we want to use in our system with Microsoft PowerPoint. Then we can go ahead and use probably our system or our phone if you have a Microsoft PowerPoint file or Microsoft PowerPoint package that can an app that can open a Microsoft PowerPoint file on our phone. We can do that. I have the Microsoft 365 app, and it can open PowerPoint or any other Microsoft documents for that matter. So this is the file, and you can see that it is a PPTX file, which means a PowerPoint presentation file. So what I can do right now is just like I can open it. After opening it, then you can see I'm choosing 365. So after choosing that, so this is the file. So this is the file. You can see I can also play it here. You can see this is not, this is what we use Canva to do, but at the end of the day, it is not Canva that is actually what's it called? It's not Canva that is actually being used to open it. We are using another another package to open it, which is PowerPoint. So you can try that. Then if you have any question, you can use the comment section to ask your question. And if you've learned something new in this tutorial, you can go right ahead and give me a subscription, give me a like, give me a share. I'll be grateful for that. Thank you.